Get set to witness something extraordinary. Namaskar, everyone. We are MECh Engineers, a name that reverberates with power and ingenuity in the world of heavy industrial and process plant equipment since 1986. We are absolutely thrilled to announce our presence at the prestigious 3rd Dahej Industrial Expo 2023, happening in Gujarat, India, from December 5th to 7th, 2023. This is the 3rd edition of Dahej Industrial Expo, a beacon of progress and ingenuity in the industrial sector, where we meet industry leaders, exchange expertise, and envision new possibilities. Find us at booth D61 in Holdi on GIDC Road, Dahej, Gujarat, conveniently opposite GACL Circle. Discover our cutting-edge engineering solutions designed to revolutionize operational efficiency across diverse industries. Our seasoned engineers will be there to discuss how our products and services can elevate your business to new heights. This is the event of the year, a gathering of decision-makers, executives, technical experts, engineers, CEOs, directors, and professionals across manufacturing, engineering, and related fields. We extend a warm invitation to you all. Join us and let's explore the future of technology and innovation together. For more information about our products and services, visit our website at www.mengineers.com. Thank you for your attention, and we can't wait to see you there. Don't miss out.